Latero-Flora is a unique probiotic strain which can help you maintain a healthy intestinal tract. It works by populating the intestines with beneficial bacteria, thus enhancing the immune system, regulating digestion, and assisting in the absorption of nutrients. Latero-Flora contains a patented unique strain of Brevibacillus laterosporus, or BOD. This is a naturally occurring spore-forming transient bacteria. It is enclosed in its own shell, allowing it to survive the stomach acids so it can effectively colonize the intestinal tract. Latero-Flora is also very stable at room temperature and does not need to be refrigerated like most probiotic supplements do. I can tell you right now, there's not a better probiotic product on the market. What sets Latero-Flora apart from the competition is that it has shown significant effectiveness in improving and, in many cases, eliminating gastrointestinal symptoms and food sensitivities. It helps guard your body against unfriendly bacteria. It helps in the overall function of the digestive system. It helps maintain your body's vital chemical and hormone balance. It performs a vast number of added and needed tasks for maintaining high energy levels and proper immune function. It helps reduce and control candida overgrowth. It assists the body in producing strong antibodies and storing antibodies. Latero-Flora may increase the body's own production of interferon, an immune booster that helps fight infections and inflammation. Since early 1989, when Latero-Flora was introduced commercially, a continuously growing number of individuals, doctors, clinics, and healthcare professionals have praised this product and recommended it to their friends and patients. Global Healing Center has taken Latero-Flora to the next level with the use of organic brown rice flour as a filler instead of potentially toxic fillers commonly used in other probiotic supplements. I highly recommend you try this product. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. Order now from globalhealingcenter.com.